Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Zikri bin Khairul Azman, 14 20 F1038, and my group is Prashant Chong, Nur Afifah Hani, and Vainis Wali. And our group title is about smartphone.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afifah Hani binti Mustafa Kamal. My metric number is 14DEM20F1900 and I'm from DEM 3A. So, I will talk about features and characteristics of smartphone. First of all, a long-lasting battery. There are ways to boost the battery life of your phone. But at the end of the day, large battery is going to last longer. It will get you close to 48 hours to use. The Droid Mac is the undisputed king of battery. Second, warp speed processing. Speed is still the ultimate prize in the smartphone race. You notice when apps lag or when swiping take an eternity. Third, a great camera. You don't have to be a pro photographer to see the difference between modern phone camera and the one on your old flip phone. A great camera is important for more than just a great photo. You can use your camera for more surprising other things like visual search. Fourth, wireless charging. This is handy features for those who don't want to plug in your phone. Just set it down and it's charging. And don't worry, wireless charging is perfectly safe. Plenty of storage space. Most smartphones come with anywhere between 16 to 32 gigabytes of storage. Extra space is a nice luxury, but this phone you will be saving most of your media in the cloud. Display. Mobile phones have a display device, some of which are also touchscreen. The screen size varies greatly by model and usually specified either as width and height in pixel or the diagonal measured in inches. Wireless communication. These mobile devices are capable of accessing the internet through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi networks, and many models are occupied to access cell phone and wireless data network as well. Mobile devices are typically capable of communication with other similar devices with stationary computer and system, with network and portable phone. Small size. Mobile devices are also known as handheld, phantom, and smartphone due to their long phone-like dimension. A typical mobile phone device will fit in the average adult hand or pocket. That's all from me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi madam, my name is Prashant Chong Tiwen and my matrix number is 14DEM 20F1006. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the features of mobile phones. Okay, the first features of mobile phone is video. Having the camera means it is also practical to shoot short videos. Second is video takes a large amount of memory, so only one or two can be stored before the memory finally runs out. The third one is most people will take a video then upload it to their favorite internet video site before deleting it to make more room. Okay, the second feature of mobile phones is photo library. Many mobiles can display photographs. And also an important point to note is the screen resolution of the phone. This is measured in pixels. The higher the screen resolution, the more detailed the photo will appear. Okay, now we go to the final feature of mobile phone is music or video player. Okay. Many mobiles can play and store music in the form of MP3 files. and play videos. Lastly, the more memory the mobile has, the more music track it can store. To give you an idea, a typical music track is about 3 megabytes. So a mobile with 1 gigabyte of memory can in theory hold about 300 tracks. But of course other features also take up memory, so it has to be shared between them. That is all from me. Thank you.
Good evening, madam. My name is Vainishwari Krishnaraja. My metric number is 141020F1002. I'm here to explain about the problems and the solutions people are using the mobile phones. Technology is not always perfect, so you can experience different kind of problem that you can solve by yourself. Mobile phones may present faults sometime, and we know it can be a very stressful situation. Here I'm going to give two problems and the way to overcome the problems. Firstly, the very common problem that happen to everyone is bad battery life. Most probably it happens when battery enough although you do not use it all the time. Now I'm going to give solution to overcome this factor. You should try to dim the screen brightness and turn off GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you are not using them. You can also enable the battery saving mode and see your battery last longer. Additionally, you should check battery usage in your phone settings and see which app are using more battery. You can close or disable the ones that are draining more battery if you usually do not need them. Another stressful problem people are facing are full storage space. Maybe you are the kind of person that save too many photos, songs, documents and some other files, and although you do not need them anymore, you do not delete them. Sometimes those files are so old that you forget you have them stored in. Another thing is, for unnecessary apps also occupy important storage space that can be used for other matters. The solution caused by full storage space can be related first I mentioned before. When you have filled up your storage space, your mobile phone tend to respond slowly. So the possible solution, try to delete those unnecessary files and apps that you do not use anymore. You can also delete old calls and text messages. Another way to manage your mobile phone storage is try to transfer those files you would like to keep with you on an online cloud or buy a micro SD card to save that valuable information in safe place. That's all from me. Thank you, madam.
The common mobile phones problem and solution. The problem is overheating phone, slow phone, bad battery life, app crash and full storage phone. The first problem is slow phone. The problem is the most problem mobile phone issue and can associated with old phones. However, newer phones device can represent the same issue when random access memory or RAM is full with apps and files that you not use or need. The solution is you need to clean your phone and close the apps that you didn't use, or clear the files and cache data. If all the solution you used didn't work, you also can reset the phone to factory data. This step is used when you don't have any option anymore. The second problem is bad battery life. The problem is it is also another problem that happen to everyone when the background apps is draining your battery or the setting that you use are too far off set off from your phone capacity. The solution is you should resetting the phone. The phone setting is you need to lower it, such as dim the phone brightness, turn off the GPS when you're not using it. You also can enable the battery saving mode to last long your battery.
Hi, now I'm going to talk about the conclusion of mobile phones. All in all, in the right hands, mobile phones are a welcome practical means of communications. If we use them responsibly and respectfully, mobile phones are a useful tool for modern living. In today's life, mobile phones are the mainly device for communication. So large number of complaints regarding mobile phones that lost account. The method appears to be complex, but for large scale of detection, the overall effective cost of the design down. Lastly, there are certain boundaries condition, like the power of the mobile should be good enough. But this method can be improved by using modern technologies. This is all from our presentation. Thank you.